guys, so we are going canoeing or something like that today. Yeah, I've got literally the same swimsuit on but with a different pair of jeans today. Yeah, so it's like 7 o'clock now. We're going to see if we can get some breakfast in a little earlier than usual, and then we're going to get picked up by a taxi. So that's what's up. I've braided my hair again. I had to wash it from yesterday, salt water. Braided it again because there's a lot of swimming and waterfalls and yeah, doing random stuff, and we'll find out because I've never done it before. And yeah, just getting excited. Right, see you guys in a bit. Peace. It's only 2 of us, so it's only me and Georgie on the excursion, so we have the whole bus to ourselves. Yeah, so then we've got a couple of people going with us. What are they doing? They're eating berries. What's up guys, so we're back from our adventure. I think we got back around 4 o'clock and then we had a shower, just freshened up, got some new clothes on, and yeah, I'm just going to keep my hair braided for now, and tomorrow I'm going to do a duster because I'm not doing anything that requires me to get my hair wet because I'm not going to. So yeah, today what happened is there was only 2 of us, like I told you guys. So it was the 2 of us and 2 of our tour guides, and it was really cool because we saw like the whole like typical villager Turkish vibe because they live in a village, and we like experienced what they would usually do, and like they were doing other stops and they had other family around them because there was only us 2. And so we met everyone there and it was just really nice, and we had lunch in this like local local restaurant place, and it was so like it was nice. Like it was all vegetarian because they knew we were vegetarian, and so was one of the tour guides, she was vegetarian. To eat here in Turkey as a vegetarian is a bit difficult. It's not impossible but difficult, so we got lucky that we told them just in time, so when we got there like there was vegetarian food ready, and yeah, it was nice. It filled us up but it was still light, but yeah, so we did that, and we like went through like the typical like village, like we went through the village, we went through the town, like down the mountains, and then we went for the hike. That was nice, and you had a swimming pool, not swimming pool, what am I saying, waterfall. But yeah, so we're back and we're gonna go out and just chill, aren't we?
Make special dinner for us.
Yeah, basically yesterday when we went there, everything at the resort was like all meat, and the vegetarian stuff was like a salad, and that's it. So the chef realized that we walked in and he was like, oh hold on, like give me a moment, and he was like, I'm making something for you. And I'm like, oh, okay, like he made something special for us because like we didn't have anything else to eat. So he like made like a pizza style cheese pizza kind of, but it was like bread, I don't know, it was hard to explain, but it was nice. And then like he laid it out really nicely, so yeah, we got filled up with that. Luckily the staff here are so nice, like the people here are genuinely really nice, aren't they?